Hello and welcome. My name is Noah Braun, and today we're going to talk about the latest additions to the ProPricer report list, material comparison reports. Material comparison reports are a game changer for ProPricer users because now you can fully report on proposals' materials and verify everything is correct. These reports can help any pricer print a bill of materials for parts and assemblies in a proposal and quickly compare them to other parts and assemblies in ProPricer, even if they're in a separate library or proposal. The first of these reports that I will show you lets you compare a proposal's bill of materials to the bill of materials in an existing global material library. First, I'll go to the Reports ribbon, click the Reports list, then open the Auto Filter row and find the Comparison Bill of Materials Structure report. In the report options of this report, I'm going to select my material sample proposal, which is a proposal I created to show off this new report. The assemblies I select here is an assembly that I have in my global material library. Then I'll check the box for print description. Okay, now I'll run our report to view the results. This report can be very useful when you need to compare your proposal's bill of materials to one in your global library before submitting your proposal, to ensure that all your parts are accounted for and confirm any changes to the build structure. Now let's quickly go back to the report list and I'll show you the other report that has been added called the Comparison Proposal Bill of Materials report. This report does the same thing as the Comparison Bill of Materials Structure report, except it compares the bill of materials between two separate proposals rather than a proposal and a material library. So just to show you what this report looks like, I've made a copy of the material sample proposal with some slight changes. I'll select the proposal here as the comparison proposal, click Print Delta, and highlight difference in the report options, then run the report. Now, here are the materials in the two proposals, and here you can see the quantities have changed between version 0 and version 1. You'll notice the price did not change, since I only changed the part quantities for the two assemblies in the proposal. To review this episode of Tips and Tricks, I showed you two new comparison material reports that you can use to compare the structure assemblies and parts in a proposal with the assemblies and parts in a material library or another proposal. As mentioned, this is extremely useful when you need to verify that a bill of materials in your proposal is correct before submitting it. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please share it with your colleagues who use ProPricer. If you have any questions about ProPricer, please email us directly. Again, my name is Noah Braun, and as always, thanks for watching.